from Tassi Studio, and today I am going to show you how I knit Continental Style. There are two ways of knitting, and one is English style, which a lot of people do that, and the other way is Continental Style. Because I crocheted before I knitted, I felt that it was more natural for me to knit Continental, and that's the way I knit. I know that a lot of people think that knitting Continental is a little bit faster, and a lot of people would like to learn how to knit that way. So I got some comments and some requests, and today I decided I was going to do a video and show you how I do it. For the purpose of this video, this is not an introduction on how to knit, which if you feel like you'd like me to do one of those videos, if you're just starting to knit, please leave a comment below and I will try to make one of those videos also. But today I'm just going to show you how I knit, and for the purpose of this video I'm going to use the Touch of Alpaca Lion brand yarn, because I feel that you can also use the Wool Ease, or you can just use any yarn that you would like to use. I am going to use the Touch of Alpaca from Lion brand because I feel it's an easy yarn and an easy weight to show you how I do that. To start with, I am going to knit, I'm going to cast on, and I'm going to try to I'm going to cast on about 10 stitches, because I am just going to cast on to show you how to knit and to purl the Continental Style. So I'm not gonna do a very long cast on, but maybe I'll do 10 or 15 stitches. I'm not really counting it. And I'm doing the long tail cast on, and I'm going to cut the tail so it's not on the way to show you how to do this. The first row, as in all of your knitting, whatever way and whatever style you do, it's always a little bit harder. So I'm gonna do probably about 4 rows to show you this. And right now I am gonna show you how I hold the yarn on my pinky, and then I put it on my index finger just to hold the tension. So that's how I do. But if you already knit, you hold the yarn whatever way is more comfortable for you, and instead of picking up the yarn here on the right hand and throwing it on the needle, you just put the yarn over, hold, and then put it through there, stitch, and bringing it back. I am going to move this a little bit closer here so you can see a little bit better, okay? You put the yarn the needle like you usually do for knitting English style. You put the yarn over the needle, and you can hold the yarn to pull it when you first start. For me, I usually just pull it. I'm going to show you how I do it. I use this finger to anchor, and I just put my needle there, pull the yarn through the back, and then pull it out of the needle. But to start with, it's a little bit easier if you do a yarn over, hold the yarn here, and then you can pull the yarn. So I'm doing it again for you to see. Insert the needle, do a yarn over, hold the yarn here, and pull it through. Okay, So insert the needle, do a yarn over, hold the yarn, and pull it through like you do when you knit Continental Style also. Insert the needle, yarn over, hold the yarn, and pull it. So because I've been doing this for over 20 years, I don't hold the yarn anymore, and I just knit, putting this finger here and holding and pulling the yarn through the back like that. So as you can see, and I'll show you in the next row, it's a little bit faster, I think, than throwing the yarn, but this is a good way of, when you're first starting, to do a yarn over, pull the yarn, hold the yarn, and pull it. So to purl, and I'm going to show you now how to purl. I did this on a straight needle because I think it's a little easier to show you also. I do use the same tension, but the yarn is going to be in the front here. I'm going to put the needle as if to purl, then yarn over this way, and then you pull over and out of the needle. Okay, so again, put the needle in there as if to purl, yarn over, hold the yarn over here, and take it out of the needle. I think purling, it's even easier than, because you don't have to throw, and you get into a rhythm that makes it much easier for you to do it. So again, put the needle there as if to purl, yarn over, and all you have to do is pull the needle out. Put the needle there, yarn over, pull it out. Again, yarn over, and then you can see how rhythmic it can become after you've done a few. And I would not worry too much about the tension in the beginning, because for some people, if you already knit, if you're changing to do it continental, it could change your tension, and your stitches might not be as straight, but you will see that with time, I feel that it's better on my hands for me, and it works a little bit faster for me also, and it's just more comfortable if you also crochet. It seems like more natural to do continental way. So I'm gonna show you one more time the way I do, with my finger anchoring the yarn right there, okay? Or you can just yarn over, hold the yarn, and let it go. Yarn over, hold the yarn, and pull it through. So it seems pretty easy, isn't it? I will show you how to purl one more time, and then this way you will be ready to try this if this is something that you really wanted to do. And I think by the comments that I got and messages that I got, I think there's a lot of people that would like to learn how to knit continental. So here it is, put the needle in there as if to purl, yarn over, and take it out. So I think that if this is something you wanted to try, if this is something that you always felt that maybe would help, or help your hands, or if it's just that you want to challenge yourself and learn a new way of knitting, or if you're just learning to knit and this is something you'd like to knit this way, then I think it would be fun to try. So if you want any more videos, if you want videos showing different things or different techniques, let me know on the comments below, and I will try to do them for you and try to come back and show you how to do some of these techniques. This is something I love to do, and I am so happy and love to share with you. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe so I can continue to do these videos and can continue to see you. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Ciao.